What if I told you that Earth might not be the only home? That somewhere light years away, there could be another planet waiting, watching, even possibly alive. Welcome to Kepler-22b. Discovered in 2011, Kepler-22b sits in the Goldilocks zone where conditions might allow life to thrive. But what kind of life? If the planet is tightly locked, one side will be bathed in eternal sunlight while the other remains in perpetual darkness. On the bright side, endless daylight might fuel alien photosynthesis, while the dark side could be home to creatures adapted to total darkness. And then there's the Terminator zone, the twilight border where light meets dark. Scientists believe that this could be the perfect place for life, a region of balance where liquid water might exist. But here's still so much we don't know. Does Kepler-22b have an atmosphere? If it does, temperature could be as comfortable as a spring afternoon on Earth. If not, it could be an icy wasteland or a hellish greenhouse. Even if this planet is habitable, there is a major problem: distance. At current technology, reaching Kepler-22b will take nearly 1,000,000 years. But with each new discovery, we get one step closer to answering the biggest question of all: are we alone? So, is Kepler-22b our second Earth or just a dream beyond reach? For now, it remains a cosmic mystery, but who knows, one day the question might no longer be if we go, but when we arrive.